Hello viewers, the topic I am entering now is sine rules and the cosine rules. We can even call it sine formula or cosine formula. And we use this sine formula or cosine formula to treat other triangle that is not right angled triangle. What do I mean? We use this sine rule or cosine rule to treat other triangle that one of the three angles, like 1, 2, 3, is not 90 degrees. When one of the three angles is not 90 degrees, we can now apply sine rules or sine formulas or cosine rules or sine formulas to treat the sides and the angles. Okay, so now pay attention as I treat it and give you so many examples to enable you know how to use it in any question. Okay, now this is a triangle that has angle A, angle B, angle C, and the sides. This angle here is A, angle here B, angle here C. So this side facing the angle A, we now represent it with small letter A. Then this side, this side now that is facing angle B, we now represent that side with letter small b. Then this side that is facing C, we represent it too with small letter C. Okay, now assuming now, then the formula of that sine rule says that sine A, sine of angle A, all over this side facing that sine A, will be equals to sine angle B all over the side facing the angle B, which is small b, will also still be equals to sine angle C all over the side facing C. So this is the formula of sine rules. Okay, now take example on board. One of the examples I am going to treat on board. The example says in triangle ABC, angle A is 54 degrees, angle B is 67 degrees. Then the side A facing the angle A, the side is 13.9 meter. Then find the side facing B and the side facing C. Let's assume that the triangle is this. Okay, here is our A, here is our B, and here is our C. Then if here is 54, the side facing it is small a. Then here 67 degrees, here facing it is B. Then here, we never know here yet, then side facing it is C, right? Now, in order to find this one, B, we can find B immediately. Okay, the B, which we can find B now. Then what information are complete? This information is complete. A, sine A, which is 54 all over the side facing it, which is 13.9, equals to sine B, which is 67 all over side facing it, which is B. We can use these two to get the side of B immediately. Now we start say that sine A, which is 54 all over 13.9, equals to sine B, which is 67 all over side facing B, and we are looking for B. Now we do cross multiply. We do cross multiply in order to continue. Now B times sine 54 is B sine 54. 54 equals to 13.9 times sine 67. Now, sine 54 is what with our calculator? It's approximately 0.81. Sine 54 is 0.81 b times b, okay, equals to 13 times sine 67. Sine 67 is what? 0.921. And when we multiply 0.81b equals to 13.9 times 0.921 will give us what? 12.8. Making b subject of formula in order to get the b we are looking for will now be 12.8 over 0.1. Please watch my other videos. I've treated how to make subject of formula. That is why if I come in this process, I will just do it directly. I've treated that as a separate topic. Just go through my videos, either in YouTube or Facebook or other social media. You understand what I mean, right? Now, we now divide to get our answer. What is the value? 15.8 meter. That is the value for B. Now, let's solve for C. For C, this side is C. We can still use here. We can still use sine A, which is 54 all over 13.9 equals to sine C. What is our sine C? We can get it immediately by saying, you know, total angle of a triangle is 180, right? So now if we have 2 already, we now add these 2 and get the answer of the third angle, okay? Now, C, angle C now will now be equals to 180 minus addition of these 2. 7 plus 54. Then it will now give us what? 180 minus what? 121, which will now give us 59 degrees. So angle that's supposed to be here is 59 degrees, right? We now fix it here. Sine C now will become 59 all over the side the C we are looking for. We still do cross multiplication. We now have C, C, let's do it immediately. C times sine 54, which is 0.81. We got here the same thing, equals to then 13 times sine 59. Sine 59 is what? Check your calculator. 0.86. Now we now have 0.81c here equals to 13.9 times 0.86 will give us what? 11.915. Make C subject of formula for you to find the side C. We now have C equals to 11.915 all over 0.81. And when we divide, what is the final answer? 14.71 meter. So this is how to solve it, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and share the video, okay? Make sure you press the follow button or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and God bless.